My dear student, welcome to my channel Math Cure. Today I want to discuss the next part of midterm exam 2022-23 of class 8. You see question 26A. Draw a line segment of length 6.3 semi and divide it into 5 equal parts. My dear student, it is easy. Say this is a line segment of 6.3. Any angle, you draw another line from A, say AN. Am I clear? Now you draw another line parallel to AN. So we take the alternate angle. First of all, we take the arc to the center B. We also take same arc like this. Am I clear? Next, you take the measure of the angle, this, and similarly we take the measure same angle, this. Then we connect this to BN, say BM. Am I clear? You see this angle and this angle is equal, then these two angle is called alternate angle. As AN and BM is parallel, then AB is the transversal. Now we take equal 4 parts from AN like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, we take same division from BM: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we also connect this and this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 equal part of the given 6.3 semi line segment. 6.3 semi line segment is also divided it in 5 equal parts. Am I clear? Next, B. Here or this question number is or 26B. Divide a line segment AB 6 semi in the ratio 2:3 internally. My dear student, say this is the line segment AB. We also want to divide it into 2:3 this ratio. Say 2x and 3x semi are 2 parts. Am I clear? Say 2x and 3x are semi are 2 parts. So 2x plus 3x is equal to 6. Am I clear? Or 5x is equal to 6, or x is equal to 6 by 5. Am I clear? Now, first part is equal to 2 into 6 by 5 is equal to this semi is equal to 6 2 is 12, 12 by 5 semi is equal to 5 2 is 10, 5 4 is 20. So this semi 2.4 semi is the first part. Similarly, second part is equal to 3 into 6 by 5. Am I clear? This semi is equal to 6 3 is 18 by 5 semi. is equal to 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are 30, 3.6 semi. We first take 2.4 semi in the scale, my dear student. It is too easy. In this scale, we also take 2.4 semi. Then we take 2.4 semi, and this is 3.6 semi. 2.4 semi and 3.6 semi. Then this is the required answer of the second question. Am I clear? Next. (27). The following table given the distance traveled by a car at various time intervals. Study the table and draw a linear graph for the same. My dear student, you see in your question the graph table is like this. Say this is time, this is distance in kimi. Am I clear? 1 2 3 4. 4 coordinates also here. Six a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. 6 a.m. 40, 80, 120 and 60. My dear student, first of all we draw in gap paper two perpendicular line. Say this and this. Am I clear? This is horizontal, this is vertical. This horizontal line is called XO and vertical line is called YO. This is 0 0. This point is called origin. Am I clear? This is 0 0. Now say this is 6 a.m. Am I clear? This is 7 a.m. This is 8 a.m. and this is 9 a.m. This is time in horizontal line and this is vertical is distance. This is distance as vertical line. Say this is 20 kimi, 30 kimi, 40 kimi, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 100, 120. Am I clear? This is kimi, the distance. Now say this is zigzag way because it is not start from 0. This is zigzag. Now at 6 a.m. the car traveled 40 kimi. You see this is 40, so this point is called 6 a.m. 40 kilometer. Similarly in 7 a.m. 80 kilometer. This point a.m. and 80 kilometer. Similarly at 8 a.m. this is 7 a.m. This is 8 a.m. It also 120. 120 means this. 8 a.m. 120 highest. And next in 9 a.m. 60 kilometer. 60 kilometer 9 a.m. 60 kilometer. This is 60. No, this is 60. 60 kilometer. Am I clear? Say 6 a.m. this point is A. Similarly 7 a.m. this point is B. 8 a.m. this point is C. And 9 a.m. this point is D. Now I also connect this with straight line. Straight line. Straight line. This is the required graph of car travel by the time 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. Am I clear? Next. My dear student, you see question 28. Question 28. The given section D, the given graph shows the flights of an aeroplane. A aeroplane is flying in the timetable, also in the graph. You see here 0 origin. This is horizontal line, this is vertical line. Plane first position in A. In horizontal line there is timetable, and also vertical this height is also given in meters. You see in the point A in 10 minutes the flight position is A. In 50 minutes the position is B. Similarly in 70 minutes the position is C, and in 100 minutes position is D. Am I clear? D means 500 meters height, and 110 minutes position is E, and on the ground F position 120 minutes. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Any four. First question, the coordinates of the point B is, my dear student, you see here is B. In horizontal line B point is 50 minutes, and in vertical it is 1000 meters. So the coordinate of B is horizontal will be 50 minutes and vertical 1000. You see D is the accurate answer. 50,000. 50 and 1000. So position B is 50,000. This is the coordinate. Similarly, in the second question, up to what height the aeroplane rise? Highest height. My dear student, you see here is 1000 meter is the highest height. A position or B position. Two positions are same height. So 1000 meter will be the highest height. So B question will be correct answer. Similarly, in question 3, how much time did the aeroplane take to go from point B to F? My dear student, in the B position it take 50 minutes, and in the F position it takes 120. So 120 minus 50 minutes 0.7 70 minutes. Here D, answer D will be the correct answer. Am I clear? In B position it takes 50 minutes and in F position it takes 120 minutes. So from B to F the plane takes the time 70 minutes. D is the correct answer. Similarly, in the last question, how long did whole flight take? How long did the whole flight take? The whole flight take 120 minutes. It is too easy. From A to F, it takes 120 minutes. So, C is the correct answer. Last question, C is the accurate answer. Next. (29). There is a land near a locality in the shape of a trapezium ABCD. The residents of the locality, with the permission of the concerned authorities, decided to face the land and convert it into a park with shady trees, plants and small herbal garden. The length of the parallel sides AB and BC of the land are 12 meter and 28 respectively, and the non-parallel side AD and BC are of equal length with 10 meter. The park is divided into three parts by drawing two alternates AE and BF, two altitudes AE and BF. My dear student, you see the diagram is like this. This is a required garden. This two line is parallel, AB and DC. Am I clear? AB is equal to 12 meter. This is 12 meter and this is 28 meter. Now AE and BF, AE and BF are two perpendicular line from A and B upon DC at the point E and F. Now AD is equal to 10 meter, and BC is equal to also 10 meter. My dear student, you see this is 28, but this is 12 meter. This is 12 meter. So DE and FC will be equal, and this distance will be 28 meter minus 12 meter is equal to 6 meter, and DE is equal to FC or CF is equal to 6 meter divided by 2 is equal to 3 meter. You see, this is 3 meter and this is 3 meter. So we can measure the perpendicular distance from DC to AB as AE or BF. You see, this is right angle, this is also right angle. So 10 square is equal to A square plus D square is equal to AE is also AE is unknown plus D is equal to 3 meter, or 100 is equal to A square plus 3 3s are 9, or 100 minus 9 is equal to A square, or this is 10, this is 28 minus 12, sorry, 28 minus 12, 16. Here it is, sorry, mistake, 16, this is 8 meter. Am I clear? This is 8. So D means 8 square. This is 8 square, 64. This will be 64. 6, 36 is equal to A square, or root 36 is equal to AE, or 6 is equal to AE. My dear student, you see this measurement is 6 meter, and this also is equal to 6 meter. Next, what is the perimeter of the park? First question, what is the perimeter of the park? My dear student, you see this distance plus this distance plus this distance is the perimeter of the park. Am I clear? Perimeter of the park is equal to, say, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Am I clear? This is the perimeter of the park, this meter. Am I clear? Is equal to AB is equal to 12 plus BC is equal to 10 plus CD is equal to 28 plus DA is equal to 10 meter, is equal to 10, 10, 20, 20 plus 28, 48, 48 plus 12, 60 meter, 60 meter. My dear student, B is the accurate answer. B. Answer number B is accurate answer. Next. Question number 2. What is the length of DE? DE. My dear student, you see D is 3 meter. Here, sorry, D is 8 meter. D is, here D is 8 meter. This is 8 meter. 8, not 3. It will be 8 meter. Am I clear? DE is equal to 8 meter. My dear student, here DE is 8 meter. Question number C. C is the accurate answer. C. Next, question number 3. What is the length of the altitude of the trapezium ABCD? My dear student, you see this is the altitude. 6 meter. We also calculated from the Pythagoras system. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So here the altitude is 6 meter. The answer is D. D is the answer. Next, what is the total area of the triangular portion? My dear student, what is the total area of triangular portion? You see, this is the triangular portion and this is the triangular portion. Now, in question number 4, what is the total area? Total area of triangular portion is equal to half into area of the triangle, half base into height. Half base means 8 into height means 6. This meter square into 2, as here is two triangle, number 1 triangle and number 2 triangles. Number 2 triangle, here is 2 triangles. So the measure is this 2 4 8 24 into this 2 meter square is equal to 2 4 8, 2 2 4, 48 meter square. You see here the answer is question number 48 meter square. Question number, answer number A. A is the accurate answer. Half base into height, base is 8, height is 6. So the measure of the triangle is equal to area of the triangle 2 4 8, 24 into 2, as two triangles here, triangular portion. You see, this is the triangular portion, so 48 m square. Similarly, in the question 5, what is the area of the trapezium? My dear student, you know the area of the trapezium, there is a formula, half into sum of parallel sides into height. Am I clear? Half of parallel sides means 12 plus 28 into height. Height is 6 m. Height is 6 meter is equal to this is meter square, as it is area is equal to half 40, 28 plus 12 is equal to 40 into 6. This meter square is equal to 2 2 0, 6 2 12, 120 meter square. This is the area of the given trapezium. B is the accurate answer. Answer number B. B is the accurate answer. A train, question 30. A train 210 meter long and took 12 seconds to pass a 90 meter long tunnel. Find the speed of the train. Hence, find how much time will it take to cross a platform 790 meter long. My dear student, you see, say this is the tunnel. Am I clear? This is the tunnel and this is the train. This is the train. 210 meter long took 12 seconds to pass 90 meter long tunnel. Sorry, this is 90 meter. And 210 meter long. 210 meter long the train. This is the train. You see, when this train is start from to cover the tunnel from this, say AB is the tunnel length. AB is the tunnel. Now the train start from A, and when the position of the train will be this, then the train covered the tunnel. So the train cross the tunnel at A to B position and cross the distance is equal to train length plus tunnel length. My dear student, the train crossed the tunnel at A to B position. Train whenever travel the AB total tunnel, the train position will be A to B, and it also cross the distance train length plus tunnel length is equal to train length is 210 meter plus 90 meter. Am I clear? Is equal to 0, 0, 1 and 3 meter. Total 3 meter length whenever train is covered, the train will cross the tunnel. Am I clear? So 12 seconds pass. So 12 second time take to cover the distance (300 meter). Because here is also given 12 second cross the tunnel. Am I clear? 1 second time take to cross to cover the distance. As 1 is less than 12, then we also divide 300 by 12 meter. Similarly, this 60 second time take to cover the distance 300 by 12 into 60. Am I clear? Meter. And 60 second means 1 minute. Similarly, 60 into 60. Next 60. This 60 is also this, and next 60. I want to calculate the velocity or speed of the train by hour. So we also multiply 60 into 60. At a time you can do 60 into 60. My dear student, you see, 60 means 1 minute. Again 60, this will be hour. Every hour 60 into 60 second time take to cover the distance 60 into 60. This meter is equal to 300 into 60 into 60 divided by 12 into, my dear student, as it is in meter, we also transfer it kilometer divided by 1000. This is the speed of the train, this kilometer per hour, every hour. Am I clear? Is equal to 20 is also crossed. Next 0 is next 0. Am I clear? 6 2s are 12, 2 3s are 3 3s are 9 into 0 is equal to 90 km per hour. Am I clear? Every hour the train speed is 90 km. Am I clear? Similarly, how much time will take to cross a platform 790 meter? My dear student, you see, in 1 second it also covered the distance 300 by 2 meter. Here we also the train cover 300 by 12 meter distance by 1 second. Am I clear? As we want to calculate the time taken by 790 meter long, then we also, time is also right side and distance is also left side. This 300 by 12 meter distance covered the train by 1 second. 1 meter distance by 1 by 300 by 12 is equal to 12 by 300 second. Am I clear? Similarly, 790 meter distance covered by 12 divided by 300 into 790 this second. 6 2s are 2 2s are 4 2 5s are. So 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 5 5s are 25 5 8s are. Therefore, is equal to 158 divided by 5 second. Am I clear? Is equal to 158 divided by 5 5 3s are 15, 8, 5 1s are 5, 3.0, 5 6s are 30. So 31.6 second. The train also take the time 31.6 seconds to cover the distance 790 meter. My dear student, now I want to stop here. Next I will come with you with next portion. Thank you.